Hey there, I'm Anthony.
And I'm Amy.
And we are Project Van Freedom.
And this is our van build.
So today's just an easier day again. Going to removing all the carpets and everything, getting all that ready for the shower tray to be secured down. Maybe finish off the worktop, get that secured down, get the oven secured down, get all that done and ready. So that's all finished off, ready for the drawers to go on. I've got a few other little bits to do, but we'll see how they go. So, just got the oven all secured down, got the worktop secured down. Let's just secure this light up to the ceiling and then have a tidy up and see where I'm at for today then. There. Gonna get cracking with removing the carpet in here, so it's prepared, ready for the hole to be cut out of the drainage point. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Let that soak in. Just using some sticky remover to loosen up the adhesive underneath. Leave that. So I was planning on removing all the carpet in the shower area, but the adhesive remover I was using didn't go far enough, so I've got to wait till I get the next lot in, so that'll probably be next weekend I'll finish off all that. So now I figured out, just can't do that, might as well make Amy a little bit happier, just what I rack up, should be a bit of fun, just trying to figure out where for it to go. So carrying on from last week, I've got a stronger adhesive remover now. I'm going to apply it to all this carpet, let it soak in, and then hopefully this will just peel up. So while we're waiting for the adhesive remover to sit in, Amy's going to jump onto the back and spray all of them so they're shining up the front and the wind mirrors. So while Amy's prepping the bumpers, cleaning them up, ready for the spraying, I'm gonna get all the masking tape ready for the roof so we can get the first coat of the stain on. Ready. Squeeze there. So Amy's just sprayed all the bumpers. We've just masking taped all the inside, ready for the staining. So while Amy's staining, I'm going to measure out the doors and try and get them fitted today.
The stain we have for the roof. Let's see how this goes. So, front doors built, all cladded. Now, I'm just going to do the baton for the back, so it gives it support. So we've just got the doors cut to size. No, but we've run out of cladding, so we've only got one door ready to be put on. But I'm gonna wait for that to be stained before I put it on. Amy's just finishing off the staining the roof. So it's been about a few hours now. So hopefully the adhesive remover's soaked in to the carpet. So it should be pretty easy to come up now. So today we've got done the staining, we've got the doors cut to size, one of them stained, the other needs some alterations, so we're going to hold up till next week. We've got most of the carpet removed in the shower area, so that's ready for next week. I'm going to apply one more coat just to remove up all the other tatty bits. Thanks for watching this week's video, we hope you enjoyed it.
And don't forget to comment, subscribe and put a thumbs up and go watch all our previous content on our build so far. We're Project Fab Freedom, yeah!